We're going to show you how to build this bad boy. And 10% off coupon code. We'll be right back. Well, check this out. Packaged very, very well. Very impressed. And here is the hardware for the... So this would be pretty good. I'm looking forward to it. It comes with the tool and the plugs and the screws and everything, which obviously will come with it. The wheels, cups and stuff to cover the shaft. Very good. And this is the base for the wheels. It's interesting. It's fire retardant. That's pretty. Now look at the stitching on this. This is actually really, really nice. I like the accents on this. I like the white and the black. Looks really, really sick. So this is the base, the seat where you sit on. Stitching is very similar to the back. Got the white stitching. Very impressive. I like the black on white look. It looks really, really nice. Very, very nice. And so the holes aren't exact on here. It's a little off, but I'm sure this could be fixed. It's going to be covered by the handles anyway that I said that, you know, for the armrests. So we're not going to be too concerned about that. Putting the wheels on are very simple. Just put it in a hole and push, and it goes right into place. Like so. That is it. Very, very easy to do. Put this on, make sure your arrow here says front, and it matches the arrow here for the front of the chair. So you put this on properly. Okay, now I got you slide the top part onto the shaft. Then you have full control of it. Just make sure you put the plastic pieces in accordingly so it covers the shaft. So it looks pretty, so you don't see this big silver thing sticking on the bottom of underneath the chair. So now we're going to be adding the handrails, the armrests here, right now. So now we put the first handrail on, armrest on to the chair, and it's looking pretty good. Just make sure you put it on the right way because this is the front with the hump in the front. Okay, so now I got both armrests on the chair. I'm going to put the back on now, and then we'll be finished. Looking good. After you're done putting all the screws in, you can put the caps on and finish off the job. As you can see, this chair is very nicely built. This is a really good chair. I like it. Very comfortable. I like the fact that you can lift up and down the handles. Building it was pretty simple. Relatively easy to do. I only like the chairs that have the handles that go up, because the ones that go up and down, they tend to get in the way. And this one is a really good chair. I like it. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this, and a 10% sale 10 coupon for this chair, or any chair for that matter. I happen to like the way this thing looks. It's really sick looking. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.